Hey everyone! Imagine you're chatting with a friend and they say it's raining cats and dogs. You might be puzzled, right? Well, stick around because today all these puzzles in your head are going to be solved. In this video, you'll discover what idioms are, why idioms are important, and something that will help you shine like a star in your daily life conversations. Let's get started. So, what exactly are idioms? They are phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. They add color and personality to our conversations. You can find the official definition in the description box below. For example, take the idiom, break the ice. It means to initiate conversation in a social setting. You might say, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Next up, why are idioms important? Using idioms can make you sound more fluent and natural in English. They help you understand cultural references and connect better with native speakers. Now let's jump into something that will help you stand out in any type of conversation. But before that, do you think you are smart enough to know idioms well? If so, pause the video and comment down the meaning of following idiom in the comments. Once in a blue moon. Done? Now let's get started with that one thing you are eagerly waiting for. You're going to be provided a list of 20 idioms, their meanings and an example to show how you can use them in a sentence. Are you ready? See you next time. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and comment down any other idioms you know.